Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and on this video, I'm going to discuss the problem that I posted on my Facebook group, which is about arithmetic sequence for grade 10. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the bell button so that you will be updated whenever I'm going to upload a new one. So if you're ready, let's begin. Okay, for this week, week number 2, I posted 3 problems, which is all, I took them from the MMC, National Team Oral and Individual Oral Competitions. Okay, so let's start with problem number 1. Okay, here, it says here, given an arithmetic sequence, a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, and so on, with the sum of the 5th, the 9th, and the 13th term is equal to 5, and the sum of the 5th term, 6th term, up to 10th term is equal to 9, find the index m such that a sub m equals 11. Okay, so we know, at this point, we already know how to write a sub 5 in terms of a and b, right? In terms of the first term and the common difference. So we can write a sub 5 as a plus 4b, okay? While a sub 9 can be written as a plus 8b, and a sub 13, or the 13th term, is a plus 12b. That's equal to 5. Okay, now, so combining like terms, so we have 3 a's, so that will be 3a, plus 4b, 8b, and 12b, so if you're going to add them, you'll end up with 24b, and that's equal to 5. Okay, so since I end up with an equation with 2 variables, so you need another one equation. So let me call this equation number 1. Okay, next, how about this one? Actually, we can do the same, okay, express each nth term in terms of the first and the common difference, first term and common difference, but there's an alternative to do that. If you're going to do what we did here, medyo mahaba. Okay, so what do I mean? Take note, okay, so let's consider this. Consider natin yung a sub 5 plus a sub 6 plus a sub 7, then yung a sub 8 up to a sub 10. So take a look at this. So, take note, yung a sub 6 natin is actually equal to the average of a sub 5 and a sub 7. Right? Pareho yan. So, similarly, yung a sub 9, okay, yung a sub 9 natin or yung 9th term is equal to the average of the 8th term and the 10th term. Take note of that. So, from here, we can generate something. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung a sub 5, okay, yung a sub 5, okay, ayusin natin. Yung a sub 5 plus a sub 7 is actually equal to 2a sub 6. Okay? Likewise, yung sum ng 8th and 10th term is actually equal to twice the 9th term. There you go. So, what can we get from here? So, since, okay, okay, let me erase this one. Okay. Now, look at this. So, since the sum of the 5th and the 7th term is equal to 2a sub 6, and you're going to add a sub 6, you'll end up with 3a sub 6. See that? Similarly, okay, yung sum ng 8th and 10th term, okay, see that, is equal to twice the 9th term, and you have another 9th term here, so adding it will end up with 3a sub 9, and that's equal to 9. There you go. See that? So, dividing both sides by 3, so we're going to have, okay, okay, so we're going to have, dito na lang, a sub 6 plus a sub 9 equals 3. There you go. So, from here, we can now generate an equation like this. Okay? So, meaning to say, yung 6th term natin, so that is a plus 5b, while the 9th term is a plus 8b. And that's equal to 3. There you go. So combining like terms, we're going to have 2a plus 13b equals 3. There you go. So this will be our second equation. Now, what we're going to do with these two equations? So we're now going to get the first term, which is a, and the common difference. So that is, so 3a, okay? So that will be 3a plus 24d equals 5. Then this one will become 2a plus 13b, that's equal to 3. There you go. So since we have to eliminate a or d, so in this case, it's easier for us to eliminate a kasi maliit lang yung number. So to do that, so I'm going to multiply this one by negative 3, while this one multiply ko to ng 2. Okay? So what will happen? Okay. So this one will become positive 6a, negative 6a. Definitely, they will cancel each other. Alright? Maka-cancel lang yan. So, next, this one will become 48d. This one will become negative 39. 48 minus 39, that will become 9d. See that? Then this one will become 10. This one will become negative 9. So, therefore, that is 1. So, clearly, the common difference here is 1 over 9. Okay, now, there you go. So, we have d. Okay, you already have d. Okay, so how are we going to get a? So, we either substitute it to the first or to the second equation. So, in this case, I'll use equation number 1. Okay, so, that is, yung a ko, that's equal to 5 minus, so I'm going to transpose this one. Okay, so that will be 24. Alright, 24 over 9. Okay, 24 over 9. All over 3. There you go. So, that is, how are we going to simplify this? Okay, so, 45 minus 24, that is 21 all over 27. Tama? So, that will be 21 all over 27. Or, divisible yan ng 3. So, that will be 7 over 9. So, once again, our A here is 7 over 9. So, I have the first term. Okay, take note. We already have the first term. Okay, and the common difference. So, therefore, ang next na goal natin is how are we going to determine that index. Okay, take note. A sub m is 11. Okay, so I'll just write it here. Okay. So, again, a sub m is 11. Take note, that's equal to a, the first term, plus m minus 1 times d. Okay, take note. We're almost done. I already have the first term. I already have the common difference. And take note, this is 11. So, from there, makukuha na natin si a. What is a? Ang a natin is 7 over 9. Right? Ang d natin is 1 over 9 times m minus 1. There you go. So, multiply ko na lang siya ng 9. Okay? Multiply natin ng 9. Okay? So, that will be 99 equals 7. Okay? Plus m minus 1. There you go. So, therefore, 99 minus 7 is 92 plus 1. That will give us m with a value of 93. There you go. So, I hope nakuha niyo yung flow ng solution. Medyo mahaba. But, like I said, it's manageable. So, the solutions are, you can easily follow that. Okay? So, I hope you learned something on this episode. So, since medyo mahaba, I'm going to discuss problem number 2 and problem number 3 in a separate video. Okay? So, feel free to share. And don't forget to subscribe. Keep safe.